Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to meditate for beginners. This will be a beginner's guide to meditation. If you want to meditate and experience all of the benefits that go hand in hand with meditating on a daily basis, then this is definitely the video for you, because I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get started right now. Okay? Now let's get right to it. The first thing that you have to do is you have to find a place to meditate, okay? Now, ideally, this will be a place in your house or potentially even in your car, somewhere that you can have access to on a daily basis. You don't want to find a place that you're not going to be able to get to on a daily basis. You want to find a place that literally allows you to meditate there every single day, okay? So you need a consistent meditation place. That's the first step. The second step is you want to get a timer. Now you can use your phone, you can use an official timer, you can download meditation timer apps, you could just use your clock and you can start meditating when the minute changes. And it's as simple as that. But you need a timer, you need something that's going to allow you to time your meditation session, okay? Step number 3 is you have to sit down. So when you're in that place, whether it's in your house, in a room, in your car, you sit down in a position that you'll be comfortable in for a while. Because although you're going to start off with a very short meditation period, you're going to be working your way up to longer and longer meditation periods. So sit down on something comfortable, in a comfortable position. You don't want to be slouched over. You don't want to be too far back. You want to be nice and upright in a very relaxed position and a very relaxed state, okay? The fourth step is you want to close your eyes. So literally, just take your eyes, close your eyes, okay? You want to keep them shut, and you don't want to be forcing them shut. You want them to be in a very relaxed state as you close them. So keep them in a very relaxed position as you close your eyes, okay? So that's step number 4. Step number 5 is breathe. Now you want to take nice long breaths, okay? Now you're not going to be going, super long breaths. You're not going to be going relaxed breaths, okay? So you want to just be breathing in and out. Just relax your body. That is the key to meditation, relaxing. And you'll notice that the moment that I started taking those breaths, what happened is I started calming down, okay? Meditation is basically doing the opposite of pumping you up. It's allowing you to focus and calm down. And the 6th step is to actually focus on your breaths. So what you want to do is make sure that you're focusing on your breathing. Okay, so you want to just relax, and all that you're thinking about with your eyes closed and taking your breaths, you want to be thinking about those breaths. So you want to be thinking about your breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. You want to make sure that you focus just like that. And what you want to do is you want to start off small. So you want to start off with a 1-minute meditation session, okay? So you're going to literally start off at 1 minute. Today, you can start today. I would recommend starting today, because if you put it off, you might not get to it. So start today. 1 minute of just breathing and focusing on your breathing in your meditation place, in your meditation position, sitting down. Okay? When you're done 1 minute, that's all that you have to do for today. Tomorrow, maybe do another minute. And then when you feel like you're comfortable, you can increase to like 3 minutes, let's say. And then you can increase to 5 minutes. I would recommend jumping up at 2 minutes, 2 additional minutes every time you're ready to progress. Then 7 minutes, then 9 minutes. And you want to stop at anywhere between 15 minutes and 30 minutes, depending on your schedule. Some schedules will only allow people to meditate for 15 minutes as the maximum. Other schedules will allow people to go to 30 minutes, okay? And some people can't handle more than 15 minutes of meditation, despite how long they've been building it up. And some people can handle 30 minutes. So it's completely up to you, but I would recommend stopping when you hit 15 or 30 minutes. Anywhere between 15 and 30 minutes is a good maximum time frame to be meditating on a daily basis. And you could probably spare 15 minutes in your day, despite how busy you are. Just, you can do some things faster, and you'll free up those 15 minutes. And even if you have to get rid of something on your daily schedule to free up the 15 minutes, it's absolutely worth it. And that's basically it. In this video, I've told you how to meditate for beginners. It's a guide for meditating at home, okay? Like I said, I would recommend meditating at home. If you can't find a place in your house that's quiet and relaxing, then you can use your car, but I would recommend in your house. It gives you the best area, the best environment for optimal meditation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your tips are for meditating for beginners in the comment section down below. How has meditation helped you? Let me know that too in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.